Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Got a quick little video here today guys. I got me some turkey necks and back. I'm gonna jump into this video and I'm gonna show you how I get this quick little meal done. Alright guys, so one of my videos that's been doing really well the past month or so has been my turkey necks video. And it made me feel like turkey necks, so I had me some in the freezer that I had left over from some turkey during the holidays, so we're gonna put that together with a little onion, green bell pepper, black pepper, chicken bouillon, seasoning, salt, onion powder, and I got me some flour, water, and kitchen bouquet mixed in the back. We're gonna just put all of that in the pan, throw it in the oven. This thing's gonna take about 2 hours or so, but this is gonna come out tasting really, really good. Alright, so I just went on ahead and seasoned up my turkey necks right here. And like I said guys, I had these left over from a couple of turkeys during the holidays, and I know some people might use it to make stock, but I use this thing to make another meal. Got my gizzards right there, my liver, a couple pieces of turkey neck, and I got that backbone right there with that little turkey tail on the end. Gonna be eating all of that guys. I'm not gonna be wasting any of this. So after I got it seasoned up, let's come in here and dump my onions and green bell pepper over it. Spread those out a little bit. Alright, then we'll come in here and mix my water and flour mixture. I got about 4 tablespoons of flour and 2 cups of water, a little kitchen bouquet in it. And I'm just going to pour that around the sides. Let that fill up. It's going to come just about to the top of it. And then all I'm going to do is just cover that, put it in the oven, 350. Let it go for about maybe an hour and 45 minutes covered. Then I'm going to uncover it and let it go the last 15 minutes uncover until I get me some nice good color on this thing. So I'll be back once this is completely done and out of the oven. Alright guys, so this is it out of the oven after about 2 hours total cook time. See, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Nice beautiful gravy on it, beautiful color to our turkey necks. And I know this thing is going to be absolutely good, so I'm just going to plate it up, take my thumbnails, videos, and give this a taste test. Nice good turkey necks and turkey back. Gonna plate this thing up and I'll be right back with a taste test, guys. Alright guys, I'm coming in with a quick taste test. Got my nice good turkey necks right here. Gravy, rice. We ain't gonna waste no time with this thing. First of all, I'm coming here with my Texas Pete. Put some of that Texas Pete on that thing. Alright. Gonna give that a taste test. Look at that. Look at how tender that turkey neck is. Tell you what. Come on up under there. Get a piece of that bell pepper. Turkey neck, rice, bell pepper, onions. Give that a try. Yep, that's definitely Flavor Town. Get a piece of that, little piece of that liver right there. Get up out of there, get up out of there. Turkey liver. That's the best part right here. That's that turkey butt. That's what that is. Doing the butt. Y'all remember that song, Doing the Butt? Good night, Irene. Alrighty, guys, so this thing turned out absolutely delicious. This is some nice, good turkey necks, nice and tender, onions, green bell pepper. Absolutely delicious meal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch TV. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord. Peace.